Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to reset Etsy password. Let's open Etsy and go to profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. Then you have to go to your settings and now visit this link that you have right here. Now you want to scroll down to section with passwords, and then you want to go to Etsy Help Center. So let's tap here, and what you want to do is find a line that says how to change your password, and here you have a button to reset your password. Okay, so let's go to this link. Now you want to enter your email address right here in this field, and then tap submit button. Now you have to go to your email and check whether you have any new emails on your account. Here it is. And now you want to press reset your password now button. And finally you can enter your new password and re-enter your new password, so that confirm your new password. And finally, when you're happy with your new password, you can press set password button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.